Hey guys, it's the Princess Luna 07 right here, and you guys will be asking, didn't you say that you were sick and you have to rest for a few days? Well, now I actually have recovered. It's like so funny. But I decided to do my work, my schoolwork, and suddenly I feel so much better right now. And I just lay on the bed for a while, and then suddenly the whole thing ran away from my body. So maybe if I do some work, it will help me release my stressness. So today is actually something that I'm gonna do another video again. So today's videos is my Stressball squishy collection. So now I'm going to separate my squishies into orders, and that time I did a scented squishy collection, but today I'm gonna do the Stressball squishy collection. So let's get started. So I actually have only a few Stressball squishies because all of mine is squishies, normal squishies. So yep, so first I have this brain squishy. Next I have this cloud squishy. It's a little stiff. I have this truck squishy. Next I have this pig squishy, Stressball. Next I have this pig squishy, and you guys will be asking, isn't this a squishy? It's actually a squishy, but it's actually a very hard Stressball material, so yeah. Next I have this toe squishy. It's actually also very hot. It's like so deep. And last I have this man squishy. So yep guys, that is all the Stressball squishies I have. And you can see in the background I actually have my Bretto squishies right there and my peach. But yep guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be making a few more videos today so you guys can see. But bye bye.